And now that socket's on there, you're just gonna grab it all the way with your hand. I've already got this loosened up. So you'd squeeze that, and then you're just gonna spin this out, and then be careful as you come across. There is a small little heart-shaped spring in there. So we're gonna remove that. And then you're gonna see in there, that's what we have there. Don't put your socket all the way on, otherwise you'll need a screwdriver to pull it off. And just push that through. And this one's really gunky. So then what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get in here. We're gonna spray this with the brake cleaner. So we wanna get this all cleared up if you have a toothbrush or a rag. Once it gets sprayed, and we're gonna spray inside here. And we're gonna spray this. Get everything good. Get that gunk off of there. And let that sit for a little bit. And then you'll wipe that off. Now I have wiped those parts clean. It was pretty gunky and sticky. So we've removed that stickiness, and so now we're just gonna reassemble it. There's not much here. So now it was spinning like this, I can actually feel a little bit of ratchet here. And then we're just gonna put that little ratcheter in there. And now it's catching. That's what we want. On this one, we have that heart-shaped spring. We're gonna put that in there. So now it's all cleaned up. We got the little ratchet in there. We got this heart-shaped spring. This little circle here is gonna fit right in the end of that heart there. First, we're gonna give it just a little spray of oil so it doesn't rust. So now I've sprayed it. Make sure you have an oil that's not going to gunk up when you do it. Slide that in. Get that tightened up, but just for demonstration, if you tighten that too much on the one with the hex, it won't spin. So I do have to loosen this just a little bit. I just wanted to show you that's something to be careful for. And so now we have this one. And so I've got this tightened down now. And you can see it's only going one way. When I spin it, now it goes the other way. So this one is cleaned up, fixed, and it just needed some brake clean. Hopefully that helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.